My name is Lee Goldstein, and I'm the trading director at 10 Minute Trades. I had no idea that today would be one of the most amazing trade rooms I ever experienced in my life. Members made thousands of dollars in profits on the ISM Manufacturing Report today. One member made $9,000, another member made $4,000. It was an amazing, incredible live trading morning. Positive slippage was had by almost everyone who traded today. Let me show you some of the results that we experienced in our trade room today because it was fabulous. The trade started out like a normal trade. Our software, as you know, it puts our brackets, our orders are placed on the chart so that in a fast-moving market, you don't have to fumble around. That's what those little X's are. Those are our orders. When the ISM manufacturing news came out, it was very negative and gold exploded up, giving me a profit of $390 even before gold was halfway done moving. It was very negative news. The market didn't like it. That drives gold to the upside, which gave me my profit because I was taken into the market on the upside. I made $390 in seconds. But it was our members who cleaned up. Enrico from New Jersey made $9,160 on this one trade in less than a minute. $9,160. These are real screens with real money that I'm showing you. Another member overseas, $1,330. ISM Manufacturing News, same trade, and he had tons of positive slippage, meaning he got more profit than what his targets were asking for because the market moved so fast in the direction of his trade. That's called positive slippage. Alex from Hong Kong made over $4,100 on the same trade. $4,100. Not a bad day's pay. Brian, one of our greatest members, made $700 profit in just a matter of seconds. $700 profit. And member Dave, with his third live trade ever, made $380 in profit on his third live trade and his third winning trade in a row. I never dreamed that it would be a day like this in the trade room. Virtually, almost every single person made money. People didn't want to leave the trade room. They were enjoying basking in the glow of such a successful trade. It was a fantastic morning. These things happen. And if you want to check out what we do, come to our website, www.10minutetrades.com. Learn about appointment-based trading. Get in, get out, get on with your life, and don't spend hour after hour sitting at your computer waiting for a setup that never comes. Join with us, learn about our free weekly trading schedule at 10minutetrades.com, the weekly market movers, and you know what we say, I'll see you in the trade room.